when looking for a niche for your review sites, you want to find a niche that has a lot of hungry buyers and a lot of affiliate products that you can write reviews on. Okay, probably the top niche out there right now is the health niche. This is a $60 billion niche. I've even heard that it's a $600 billion niche, and you could even focus on sub niches of that. For example, you could focus on the weight loss niche. You could focus on health for seniors. You could focus on pain management, the yoga niche, juicing, etc., etc. There are dozens and dozens of sub niches under the health niche. Another niche that is full of hungry buyers is the make money niche, whether it's people looking to make money online, uh, marketers or businesses that are looking for tools, software products to help them generate more income online, and just basically any other course out there. It could even be how to trade stocks, make money with options, etc., etc. Okay, another uh, niche that is very lucrative is the financial niche. Okay, whether it's getting out of debt, insurance, or whatever. Another niche is the relationship niche. People that are looking to meet people, dating niche, how to get your ex back, and so on. So there are products for even how to get your ex back that you can promote as an affiliate and write reviews on. And another very lucrative niche is the self-help niche, where people are looking to better themselves and improve certain areas of their lives.